In this video, I'll be showing you how to install apps directly on SD card on Android and Move. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and this is very beneficial because let's say you're running out of storage on your internal storage on your phone, so you want to switch it to your SD card, or maybe even use that as the main one. All you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see apps as one of the options, so go ahead and click on that. Then over here, all you want to do is find whichever application you want to do this with. So let's just try and find something big. Let's say I want to do Fortnite. Go ahead and click on it. I'm going to see a lot of options, but I'm going to see storage as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Then I'm going to see storage used, internal shared storage. So what I want to do is I want to press change right there, and it's going to ask me if I want to change the storage location. So I can literally just switch it to my SD card, and it's going to say export Fortnite or obviously whatever app. And it said this will only take a few minutes, and then on the bottom right, just go ahead and press move, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. You could do that for literally any application that you have. I'd recommend doing it for applications that, one, if you don't use it too much, or two, if the file sizes are really big. Providing you have a SD card with enough storage, you could go ahead and switch that out. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.